If your living room looks like a dust bunny sanctuary, you're in need of a vacuum masterclass. First things first, let's talk about the setup. Make sure your vacuum bag or bin is empty. It's like giving your vacuum a fresh start. Now, on to the brushes. If they're tangled with hair and debris, give them a little haircut. Snip away anything wrapped around the brush roll. This helps your vacuum breathe and move easier. Moving on. Did you know the right height setting on your vacuum can make a huge difference? If you're pushing with the force of 1,000 suns, it's probably set too low. Adjust it until it glides like butter. Here comes the fun part, the actual vacuuming. Start in the farthest corner of the room and work your way back towards the door. This technique doesn't just clean, it's your strategic exit plan. And remember, slow and steady wins the race. Rushing through might miss more dirt than you think. Give it the time it deserves and your floors will thank you. That's it. You're now a pro vacuumer. Plug it in, power up, and watch that dust disappear.